How to create tags in Asana 2025. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you're going to be creating or adding tags in Asana in the easiest way. And to do this, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a proper idea on how tags work. So, to start things off, what you're going to be doing is first of all, you're going to come over to your list views. Okay. And once you're in your list views, what you're going to do over here in your task name, you're going to get this plus icon, right? So you're going to click on add field. And once you click on add field, what you're going to do is right about here, it's going to give you all these different types of things, and you can add your tags fields from this section. Okay. If you want to, that depends on you if you want to do so. Okay. But if you actually don't see that over there, what you can do is you're going to go over to customize, okay? And once you go over to customize from here, you can actually choose the different fields that you want to add. So you can click on add, and once you click on add, you're going to click on create new, and you can either choose the tags from library, or you can simply call it tags right about here, and you can choose what tags are like. You can choose what tags are going to associate or initiate for you. Okay. And generally, tags will appear for you. You can either create them as a field for yourself, or as I told you, you can go over to recommended fields. You can even go ahead and browse the library where you can find different types of fields and measures to work along with. But generally, what most people on Asana do is they create their very own tags field. Okay, so they call it tags, and the field type that they choose for tags is obviously dependent on them. Whatever types of tags they are creating, they can add tags just as so. So let's say the field for tags that I'm going to be creating is, it could be just a number, it could be a formula, it could be some type of ID, etc. So once we do this, I'm going to call it tags, okay, right here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and add in the proper prefix. And then once you've created everything, you can simply go over to add field again, click on show more, and here you can see tags is available, and you can simply add a tag for yourself as you go on. So that is basically how easy it is to add tags for yourself in Asana. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.